Alright folks, it's, what time is it? I don't know, about 12 o'clock on a Wednesday in December. I've just got my, what I think is my printed circuit boards. I say printed circuit boards, those of you who are knowledgeable about rep wraps will recognise these. That's one of my, that's one of my stepper drivers for my stepper motors. I should have 4 or 5 of them. That's the second one. Third one. Fourth one. And yes indeed, there's the 5 of them. Right. What's next? Okay, we have some cabling here. Let's just have a look and see what this is. One moment, I'll set this down. Okay, we've got a USB cable. And this is our a Mega 2560. That's your ramps board, okay? This is what the Arduino will plug into. So, just got another bit here. We've got our USB port there. I think that's possibly a power jack there. Not much more to be said about that. Okay, that's that. And I'm assuming that this box in here, if that's the ramps, where's that got ramps on it? Hold on folks, I'm either confused or they've got it wrong. Right, okay, I've got it wrong. That's the Arduino clone, right? That's the Mega 2560. So that's the the control board, and this then has to be repeated. That there's the shield. Yeah, okay. And that sort of plugs in on top. Right, so it's taken, it must have been, what, at least 2 weeks, possibly 3, from China, but it was half the cost anywhere in Europe, okay? Probably not as high a quality, or possibly. These days everyone comes from Taiwan, don't they? You know, but on quick inspection, these are what appear to be quite good quality capacitors. And also in here, you've got long life capacitors there, and there's one in there as well. I'll have a look at the soldering and the you know, see if there's any name brand components on the board. Possibly not. These things are done dirt cheap, but you know, there's simple boards. There's not a lot to them. Having said that, you do have some very small onboard resistors and such like there. So yeah, that's it. Now that I've got this, I'll try and get some progress to the printer made over the next you know, week or two. Christmas is almost upon us, so I won't have the same time as I would otherwise, but yeah. Okay, that's all for now folks, catch you soon.